In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's begin by opening your PDF. To do this, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it is open, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Open. You will then see a dialog box that allows you to browse your computer for the PDF file you want to edit. Click on the PDF file, and once selected, click the Open button. This action will load your PDF into Adobe Acrobat. Opening the correct document is crucial as it sets the stage for the changes you will make. Next, locate and click on the Fill and Sign option. You can find this feature in the right-hand toolbar of Adobe Acrobat. If you don't see it immediately, look for a tab labeled Tools at the top of the window. Click on Tools and then find Fill and Sign in the list that appears. Once you click on Fill and Sign, you will be taken to a new interface specifically designed for adding information to your PDF. This step is important as it allows you to access the tools needed for typing directly onto the document. Now let's click on the Add Text icon, which looks like a capital letter T. You can find this icon in the top center of the Fill and Sign toolbar. When you click it, your cursor will change to a text box icon. This change signifies that you are now ready to add text. Selecting this option is essential because it allows you to specify where you want to place your text within the PDF. With the Add Text feature activated, click anywhere on the PDF where you want to insert text. It could be in a blank space or over an existing area. Once you click, a text box will be created and your cursor will be blinking inside it, indicating that you can start typing. This action is straightforward but significant as it allows you to precisely control where your text appears on the document. Now you can start typing your text. The text you input will appear in the box you created. You can enter any information you need, such as comments, notes, or updates. This step is fundamental because it allows you to personalize the document or fill out forms directly. Remember, you have the flexibility to format your text later if needed, so focus on getting your content in for now. If you need to adjust the position of the text after typing, you can easily drag the text box to move it. Simply hover your cursor over the edge of the text box until you see a four-sided arrow icon. Click and hold the mouse button, then drag the box to your desired location. This feature gives you full control over the layout of your text in the document, ensuring that everything looks just right. By following these steps, you will be able to type in Adobe Acrobat effectively. Each action you take is important for ensuring your document is clear and well organized. With practice, you'll find these tools become second nature. Thank you for watching and happy editing.